Have your clips ready. After the clips are ready, add to keyframes and the clips you added. After doing that, find the basic. I want you to copy what I'm doing in the basics. Make the scale 115% and rotate is 8%. Now we are going to add graphs. The graphs we are gonna use are flow too. Go to Effects and find the oblique blur. When you find oblique blur, go to Subject and make it all videos. Make it short. Then we need to add 3 keyframes in the effects. The first keyframe needs to be blur 0 and rotate O. Also the third keyframe. Copy 3 times. Go to Animation, Picking and use Swing Right. Make it 0.1 seconds. Click Blend and click Overlay since we will make it as a flash. Then go click Out and choose Fade Out. Then we are finished.